Roll Goll, a vintage dessert brought back to the present and crafted effortlessly in the microwave. Join me through the entire recipe to discover the delightful journey. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Let's begin with the egg batter. Crack 3 eggs into a cake mixer. Beat on high for 5 minutes until it achieves a nice foamy texture. Now, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 teaspoons of fine semolina powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1½ teaspoons of custard powder. Beat again for another 3 minutes, resulting in a delightful foamy texture. Butter a square dish, pour in the full mixture and microwave for 2 minutes. Your roll goll base is now ready. Spread icing sugar on a tray and place your roll goll on it, flipping it once so both sides are lightly covered with icing sugar. Moving on to the thin custard in a small bowl, mix 6 teaspoons of custard powder with 12 teaspoons of sugar. Pouring in 1/4 of milk to create a smooth paste. In a heavy-bottomed pan, bring 1 liter of milk to a gentle boil. Strain your custard mix through a sieve to ensure smoothness. Whisk for an additional 5 minutes to make sure it has come together smoothly without burning at the bottom. Keep the heat on slow to medium, and once your custard is ready, let it cool to room temperature before placing it in the fridge. Now, prepare the chocolate and sweets for the internal layers of the roll golls. Start by chopping up some chocolate into small pieces. Then prepare gummy sweets and crushed boiled sweets using a pestle and mortar. You can choose various types of sweets based on your preference. It's time to assemble the roll goll. First, spread a generous amount of thick double cream. Next, add the crushed sweets. Followed by a layer of fine pistachios and slithers of almonds. Then incorporate gummy sweets, Skittles and chocolates. Sprinkle some more sweets and tightly roll it up. There you have it. Your roll goal is ready. Repeat this process to make 3 of these delightful desserts. We will speed run this one. Place the roll galls in a glass container. Pour on the thin cold custard. Add a layer of cream on top. And garnish with more sweets and chocolate as you like. There you have it. Roll Goll, a vintage dessert brought into the 21st century, usually steamed over a pan, but now effortlessly made in the microwave. It still tastes as delicious and decadent as ever. Soft, spongy and creamy with a delightful crunchy center filled with a variety of sweets. Thank you for joining me again this week. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Happy cooking!